You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this French fashion designer from history. If you want to learn more names from fashion, design, brand names, luxury brand names from France, make sure to stay tuned too. Paul, that's how we say it in French, okay, in France. Paul Poiret, Poiret. The T is silent at the end, so if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say it as Paul Poiret, or in French again, Paul Poiret. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.